These chewy coconut cookies are one of my favorite cookies. They are very light and packed with shredded coconut. You can always add in more shredded coconut, chocolate chips, or even nuts. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. All ingredients used will be listed in the video description below. In a large bowl, add all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Whisk these ingredients together and then set this bowl aside. Using a hand or stand mixer, cream the butter until smooth. Add in the brown sugar and granulated sugar and continue mixing. Add in the egg and vanilla extract and continue mixing until the batter is light and fluffy. Start adding a small portion of the flour mixture to the butter mixture and continue mixing. Add in the remainder of the flour mixture and mix until combined. Add the shredded coconut and pulse the stand mixer or mix the coconut in by hand. Roll or scoop the dough into balls and evenly spread out on a cookie tray lined with parchment paper. Place the tray in a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for around 8 to 10 minutes. You will know when the cookies are done when the edges start to turn a little brown. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like if you like this video and subscribe to bake more good things next week.